All right, so let's decide if a triangle is a right triangle if we have three sides and we don't have any symbol for a right angle. So for example, this triangle, it kind of looks like it's a right triangle. However, we don't see this little symbol here. So if that symbol was there, then I know for sure it's a right triangle because somebody told me that that was a right angle. But if that symbol is not there, then I know that it's not a right triangle. So let's see if I can get rid of that symbol there. Okay, so no symbol, then I don't know if it's a right triangle. I can assume, but we don't want to assume. So if we're given three sides, like let's say this side is 3 centimeters, this side is 4 centimeters, and let's make this side 5 centimeters. And your teacher says, is this a right triangle? We have to use the Pythagorean theorem, and the Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared must equal c squared in order for it to be a right triangle. So we're talking about right triangles, and we're talking about the side lengths, not the angles. A and B are the legs, so whatever the two smaller sides are A and B. The bigger side is always C. So to decide if it's a right triangle, I just need to do some calculations. So A, let's say, is 3. So I'm going to do 3 to the second power, plus B is 4, 4 to the second power. Now, if it's a right triangle, I'm going to put a question mark there because I'm trying to figure out, then that should be the same thing as 5 squared. Don't forget the order of operations. We have to do the exponents first. So I can't do 3 plus 4 and then square it. That's different than if I do 3 squared, and 3 squared is 9. 4 squared is 16. And again, I've got my little question mark there. 5 squared is 25. So if this is a right triangle, when I go to add them, I get 25. I do get 25. So I would say yes. This is a right triangle, and I can put my little symbol in there. So not every time, though, it looks like a right triangle, is it going to be a right triangle. So let me give you okay, here's a triangle. Looks like it could be a right triangle up there, okay, or a right angle up there, but I'm not sure. So let's say the sides are 5 centimeters, 7 centimeters, and 10 centimeters. Okay, so if it is a right triangle, remember the two smaller sides squared must equal the third side squared. So if this were a right triangle, then 10 would have to be the hypotenuse, and so I want to do 10 squared. Got my little question mark because we're trying to decide, and then it would be 7 squared plus 5 squared. So I just need to figure that out. 7 squared is 49, 5 squared is 25, 10 squared is 100. Again, I'm trying to decide. 49 plus 25 is going to be, let's see, 49 plus 20 is 69, plus 5 is 74. And that does not equal 100, so I would say no, not a right triangle. All right, so you're going to have some practice to do. Again, you're going to be given 3 side lengths. Take the smaller 2 sides, square the sides, add them. If that is the same thing as the larger side squared, then you would say yes. If it's not the same thing, then you're going to say no.